Just a fun thing while we're here doing our stories. Some stories, you know, I don't sit there and bore ya. But we got a cool box and getting us ready for the farmers market season. So another reason why you keep your knife sharp. They can open boxes just like that. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, we have. Don't know why so many of these. This is ridiculous. Stickers. These are bags that we use for clipper plates when they're done, so we can ship them out safely. And what else do we have? More of these. This should be our newest thing. Into this one box. Don't you love how they ship boxes inside of a box? Again, back to the knife. This is the thing we've been wanting. Now, if you don't come in with bags or a box yourself, we're going to have these for you. That's a really cool. Thank you for your business. You know how patriotic and how much we love America. So there it is. So that way you'll be getting, you don't have to carry your things to the car. Especially that's going to be really good when we get to the farmer's market. And you're not going to have to carry them in your hands or whatever. You can wrap them up, put them in a bag, and then be on your way. So that's what's in the box.